look. Welcome back, man. Mr. 300, man. I'm gonna have to tell you guys a couple of things that I hate about these damn 300 cars, man. It's not many things that I don't like, man, but it's a couple, man. So I'm gonna get right into it, man. I'm gonna have to combine it too, so it's gonna be a little weird, and you guys will see what I'm talking about in a little bit later. But let me show you the first thing real quick. Hold up. Watch this. This is the trunk. Don't mind that, man. I got some stuff in here, man. This is like my truck. Anyway, watch this. What the fuck? Number one. Next thing is this goddamn key, man. Honestly, man, this is probably my like 6th key that I've had for this car, man. Like 6 key. The first couple, man, I actually went to the dealership and I bought them. They were like crazy expensive. And then after that, I got smart and, you know, I started buying them on Amazon or whatever, eBay. Link in the description down below for the Amazon joints that I just bought, man. Now I've even found a link that was like crazy cheap. I get 2 for $20-something, 2 for like 22 bucks. And I remember when I first got this one done at the dealership, because I bought a used, I only got one, they only gave me one. Niggas only, you know, try to jip me or whatever. Oh yeah, come back tomorrow, we'll give you a second key. You know, they never gave me a second key. But I paid like $200, man, $250, man, for a new key from the dealership. And what happened? It broke. It still broke, man. I'm like 4 keys from that, man. So just imagine if every 6 months, year I have to buy a new key, man, I'd be in the hole for over a rack, man. But anyway, man, this key is trash, bro. Like even these keys, man, even though I only paid $22 for it or whatever, man, it's still one of those situations where I know it's gonna break eventually. Luckily, man, they upgraded the system, man, and this key for the newer ones, man, is a lot better. I haven't had any issues with it or whatever, you know, and it's like one of those things where you just, you know, push the start or whatever. You don't gotta like insert it in each time you put it in the engine. You know, you just have it in your pocket and you straight, so it doesn't get that much use. But it's still just a more solid key, man. Like this boy over here, man, is trash. Big trash, big trash. If you got one of these, man, you gotta order some extra ones, man, because this boy is gonna eventually break. What's gonna happen is, the first thing that's gonna happen is, this thing is just gonna fall out. Like the extra key right here, I'm gonna show you guys, see if you guys can see. You see how this key right here is, the actual like loop is connected to the additional key. Let me pull out the key so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, cool. You see how this key ring is actually on the key? So if you're walking around just holding it like this, hold on, let me put the camera down, right? So if you're just walking around holding it like this, man, that's a lot of pressure on that key. And eventually, whatever's holding this key in right here, whatever's holding this key in is eventually gonna break and give. So it's just gonna slide in and out, man. I wish I had one of my broke keys, I can show you, but they're in the car, or sorry, in the house, and I don't feel like going all in, man, because I know you guys already know what I'm talking about. But it's like, it's just, these keys just break, man. So either the whole device is gonna crack up, like this whole thing is gonna split. Oh, you see how it's slipping out now? I didn't even do anything. You know, so eventually this is gonna break, you're gonna lose it, it's gonna be an issue or whatever. But you see on this one, see it fell out right now. You see on this one how, let me show you real quick. I don't know if I can do this one with one hand, man, because I never had to pull it out. Oh, man. All right, anyway, the problem is the extra key is the silver piece. So you see how the loop, it's one loop right here, I don't know if you can see, but then there's also a loop on the key. If you put the loop in, it's actually on the device, the little, you know, mechanism or whatever that keeps that additional like blade inside of here. It's not like, you know, under constant pressure, you know? So it's just a better design key, man. You get the option of, you know, if you lose it, you can lose this or you can lose that or whatever. It's just a better design key, man. But anyway, man, we're gonna go on to the next one. I ain't gonna lie, one thing that I love is if you're playing like, you streaming music from like Tidal or Apple Music or whatever, you can see like the album work, man. That's dope, man. It was just with an update, man. I forget if it was on the phone or if it was Tidal, but there was an update where all this shit changed, man, and that shit dope. I like it. And it's for every song too, man. Like every song got like some type of album work, man. It's pretty dope. It's dope. It's still my baby, man. I'm sorry about the wind. It's still my baby, man, so we're gonna talk about it. But this one is just my new baby. It's my new baby. My new baby right here, man. Whip, all that type of stuff. That's my old baby, you know? But anyway, let's continue on, man. All right, another thing I don't care about, man, is like when you had a roof open, well, just because you have a roof in the car, man, like there's no area for you to have like extra lights. Like there's no lights in between here, and if it's dark, you know, outside light. Like if there's no lights here, it's like, it's dark, you know, it's dark to really, you know, really find stuff. You know, there's lights other places, you know, in the car, on the ground over there, there's lights or whatever, but usually there's like a light, you know, like right in the middle of the roof here, man, but it's nothing there, man, because the damn sunroof is there, man. So that's one of those things, man. It's like a give and a pull, man. It's weird, but it's like, whatever. But that's one of the things where it's like, damn, I didn't even realize, you know, it would be like that. But yeah, anyway. And another thing, man, they don't have like a little switch on the little rear view mirror where you can like just flip it, like, you know, in case it's like sunny or whatever, you know, lights are beaming on you. They have this mirror dimmer button where you can select it. Or hold up. Yeah, I'm tripping. Hold up. They got this mirror button that you can select, and then it goes blue. And I guess it dims the mirror, but I'll click it and back and forth and see if you guys can tell the difference. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but to me, man, it don't do anything. But anyway, that's another thing I don't really care about. Bonus tip, this screen stay dirty off top. So I always get one of those little wet wipes from the grocery store. So every time I come out of the store, man, I just wipe the screen off real quick, man. And that clean it up real quick and real easy. But as you can see, man, it's always thumbprints and fingerprints and all that on this, man. Always.
Nigga, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished. When I bought the ass tomorrow, y'all thought it was rented. Flexing on these niggas, I'm like Popeye on the spinach. Double M, yeah, that's my team. Rose, the captain, I'm lieutenant. I'm the type of can the men cast and grind like I'm broke. That Lambo, my new bitch, she'll ride. Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping.
And I ain't gonna lie, I'm not gonna say this is like a Chrysler 300 thing or whatever, man, but if you drive in one hand and you like recording, and like primarily I use the shifters, right? I use the shifters to, like, you know, play around with or whatever, because it's just, you know, you just have more fun doing it, downshifting and all that shit. But when you have a camera in your hand and you hold it like I'm doing it right now, it's hard to, like, you can't really shift, like, you know, the way you want to, because it's like you gotta like reach over one way or reach over the other way or go back the other way. You know, it's not really crazy conducive to, like, you know, driving with the shift paddle, the paddle shifters or whatever, you know. But I think, man, the only time I've really seen where you can do both ways on each side is on like a McLaren or like a supercar or whatever. But now that I know that exists, though, it's like every time I'm like recording right now and I'm driving and I am using the paddle shifters, I automatically think like, damn, man, it should be a way to be able to do this, you know, with one hand. So then I can't. And then I switch back to auto mode, you know, and it's just a regular drive or whatever. But that's one thing, man. But I said it's not really a big thing with Chrysler, because I know that's like the majority of cars are that way, you know, is one side is up, one side is down, or vice versa or whatever, you know. But anyway, yeah, that's just one of those things where it's like, damn, man, I wish I could do both, but I can't. But whatever. I ain't gonna lie, what I do like is the backup camera, man. It's pretty dope. It's pretty accurate. It's HD. It takes a second to turn on or whatever, but it's dope, man. I like that, man. But anyway, I'm at the Rio Casino right now, man. You guys want to see what's going on inside here real quick? I don't know. Let's see. I'm at the Rio right now, man. You guys can't really see anything. I'm gonna put you guys like this so you can see. We have to check in right now. All that, you see all that. Hotel Casino, man, Vegas, man, Rio. So it's pretty cool, man. It's one of my favorite places. The rooms are nice, man. The actual casino is like a little older, but the actual rooms is dope. So we're just doing our thing. It's windy, so I apologize, man. But you see the casino, all that stuff. We out though, man. It's nothing special. This one is regular, off the strip. So, I don't know, you guys want to see the strip casino, man? You guys want me to go walk the strip or something, man? Comment down below if you want to see the strip. Comment down below, and I'll take you guys there. And honestly, man, that's pretty much it, man. I didn't really even want to make this video, man. Ain't nothing really I really care about the car, man. It ain't no real bad issues, man. If you guys got a 300 and you keep it maintained and you keep it and you run it, you drive it, and you do what you're supposed to do to the car, man, it's an excellent car, man. That's why I bought another one. So, man, I don't want you guys to think if you guys are in the market to get a 300, man, that any one of the things that I said is like one of those things that should be a determining factor. I wouldn't, man. If you like it, man. Rock with it, man. Definitely get it, man. Let me know. Subscribe down below if you got one, man, so we can chop and throw ideas off each other, man, on what to do next. But that's about it, man. Mr. 300 here, man. I love you guys, man. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time checking in, man, this is a little different than usual, man. Usually I do all type of different weird stuff, so I guess it's the same shit I would do anyway. But if you've been rocking with me for a minute, man, let me know, man. Comment down below, man, and I'll subscribe to your channel, your Instagram, all that type of stuff, man. I want to, you know, see what everybody's doing, man. I'll be bored at the house chilling, man. I'll be doing that, and I'll just be sitting working and grinding and posting videos and editing and doing pictures and, you know, doing shopping, all the type of boring stuff, man. So if I can have a little time, man, to get in contact with, you know, if you guys doing something cool, man, to check out, man, I definitely, you know, but I know it's all part of the situation, man. It's all part of the game, man, so I'm with it, man. But anyway, man, hope you guys have a great day, great night, great evening, all that type of stuff, man. I love you guys. I got some Chipotle, man, at the house, so I know I'm about to go crazy tonight. I'm probably gonna play 2K for a little bit, man, because I'm a boring ass dude. But peace out.